Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I'll be taking us on how to take an easy and accurate hijab and khimar measurement. The measurements we need are the face circumference, the front length of the hijab and the back length of the hijab. So let's get started with how to take the front measurement. So when you are when you want to measure an hijab, you start from for the for the front length. You start from the center of the forehead, this place, then you go like this, then pause at the center of the joint of the hijab, pause so as to hold your tape measure, and then you go all the way to your desired length. This is 39 inches. So we find out that if we use another method, we get a different measurement entirely. So if I go this way, you realize that it will give me a different measurement. This is 34 inches, while this is 39. So this is the accurate way of taking it to give you an effective measurement. So for the back length, you don't need to take the back length of your hijab. What you just do is that you add 6 inches at least to anything you get in the front. When you are cutting, when you lay down your fabric, you add 6 inches to the front length. So there's no need in taking the back length, but if you wish, you can take it. This is how to take the front length. You put your tape measure at the forehead, the center of the forehead, then you take it all the way to your desired length as required. Then for the face circumference, you take your tape measure like this, and you ensure that it's staying firm on the person's face, and then this is it. This is 21 inches for the face circumference. So that is for an hijab. So for a khimar, what you need is that the same way you took the front length of the hijab, that's how you take the front length of a khimar. So you go like this, then you pause here so as to hold your tape measure, then you go all the way down. You see, the tape measure I'm using is not as long as what I need for the total length. So I will stop here. This is 60 inches. Then take my tape measure. From that 60 inches, I will continue my measurement. This is where the 60 inches stop. So I will add what I want left to it. This is 6. So that means the total length of the front is 66. So for the back too, I'll place my tape measure here and go all the way down for the back of the khimar. The same way you took the front, where you stop at where your tape measure reaches, then you continue. This is where my 60 reaches. Then I'll take the edge of my tape measure and start at that same 60. Then I'll add it up. This is 10 inches for the back length. So that means 60 plus 10, that is 70 inches for the back length of the. Then I take this the face circumference again. So for the sleeve of the khimar, like this, the sleeve of the khimar, you place your tape measure at the center of the head. Then you take your measurement. This is the center of the head. Then you pass your tape measure across to where the arm is starting from. This is the folding of the arm. So that's where you start your sleeve measurement. So this is 26 inches for this. Let's start again. 27 inches for the sleeve measurement. That's it. Then from this point, this arm folding, you can now take the total length of your sleeve. So you stop there for the arm sleeve opening. That is 27. From here to here is 27. Then from this arm where the arm is starting from, you start for your sleeve length. This is the sleeve, so you take the measurement for that. So from here to the wrist of the person, this is 11 inches. Then you measure 11. That means it is 11 inches you'll be cutting now to be added to the opening of the arm, to the sleeve opening. So you can stop your measurements like that, but you can go as far as taking for the sleeve again. No, from the center front you just place your measurement and tell the person to widen her arm 11. That means it is 11 inches you'll be cutting now to be added to the opening of the arm, to the sleeve opening. So you can stop your measurements like that, but you can go as far as taking for the sleeve again. No, from the center front you just place your measurement and tell the person to widen her arm out as far as the person can go, so as this is 17 inches for the sleeve. It depends on how big and how wide the person wants for the fullness of the khimar. So if you take it from this center to here, it will be free on the person's body, but you can decide to leave it like that. And if you want it to be more accurate, you can take it from this center to. That is all for our khimar measurement.